everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw this really cute pig. So to start off with, I'm drawing an oval shape. On either side of its head, I'm drawing two little triangles for the ears. And then I'm going to draw two really big circles for the eyes. In each eye, I'm drawing one big circle and one little circle. Drawing an oval shape between the eyes with two little nostrils, and then I'm adding eyelashes. I've added eyelashes, and now I'm drawing a rectangle shape, but I'm not joining it at the end. And I'm drawing on the kind of zigzag shape, and then I'm adding the back legs, so I'm drawing two lines down and a kind of rectangle off the side of that. So my pig's going to be sitting in a puddle of mud, so I'm adding kind of splatters of mud all over its body. I'm then going to draw the puddle, and I'm just going to do kind of wavy shapes all around in a kind of like oval shape around it. Now I'm starting to blackline, so I'm starting with the eyes, and I'm going to start by drawing over all the pencil lines that we drew, and then I'll go in with a Sharpie and colour in the eye, but I will leave the two circles white. Pause the video now and go ahead and blackline over all the pencil lines that you drew. Then use a rubber and rub out all the pencil lines that are still left over. I've got myself a baby pink Sharpie, and I'm colouring in the head and the body, but I'm leaving all the splatters because we're going to be colouring them in brown. So I'm going to colour in all the mud splatters in brown and also the puddle. I'm then colouring the rest with this dark pink. Shading, so I'm shading down the left side of the pig's face with the dark pink that we used, and I'm doing it on the left side. I've got a dark brown, and I'm doing the same on all the mud. enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!